I'm going to be trying this e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm to see if I like it. I was using the Rhode lip balm, peptide lip tint from Hailey Bieber, but I decided to try this. This is the one in vanilla toffee, so I'm hoping it's giving the same like vibe as like the toast from Rhode. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. It's giving the same vibe as toast from Rhode. Oh, so this one is just a little bit more. This one is just a little bit more like pigmented. So I kind of do like the Rhode one more because like it was more like sheer on my skin tone. But I still think that like, I don't know, like I still think that like it's a good substitute in the meantime, because the Rhode like online after shipping it's like $25 for like one lip tint. So I'm just kind of in between right now because I had lost 2 of them. So I'm trying to find an alternative. It looks good from that angle. What do you guys think in the comments?